you see my light? Can you come to me?
I thought I was gonna die, you know, because I couldn't get out. But then all of a sudden I heard banging at the window, and I saw a flashlight.
Yeah.
When I heard her respond back to Officer Martinez, I was really relieved.
She's right here, she's right here. Can you see me? Come to me now. Come to me. Come to me. I got you right here. Right here, mama. Right here.
As soon as I felt her, I just grabbed her automatically.
Anybody else? Okay, let's get to the front. Let's get to the front.
Come around this way now.
I got it. I got you.
Once she's on my shoulder, I start to run towards the street, away from the house. I can hear the sirens of the fire department arriving.
It felt good to just know that everybody at that moment was out of the house.
Oh my word. This truck and bus has been at it. I would have dropped back and got over for all the fast people.